Hi, I'm John with Lobster Tools. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Lobster R2B1 battery blind rivet tool. We'll get started by comparing the ergonomics of the R2B1 to a competitor tool. The Lobster tool is much more balanced overall. It has a much better weight distribution than the competitor tool. The grip portion specifically is a lot easier to hold in the hand. It's angled, which allows the user to get a really nice solid grip. The R2B1 is one of the lightest battery blind rivet tools in the industry. It reduces the strain put on your hands, wrists, and shoulders. So now we've covered the ergonomics and are going to move into showing you how the Lobster R2B1 is a leader in its class in terms of power and speed.